Well, hello there and welcome back to my channel. A while back, I made a video where I repurposed the soil in two of these containers that you're currently looking at. The purpose was to put in squash and zucchini. So my squash and zucchini are ready and I'm going to go ahead and put those in. First thing I'm going to do is use my trusty hand trowel and rake over the soil. As I said, it has been amended previously. I'll put a link up for that video for you to see. And next thing I'm going to do is use my hurry to dig a little hole. I have 3 plants of this particular variety, and I think I'm going to put all 3 in. Okay, this variety that we're going to do first is called the Supersonic. And here you can see the roots. Nice and good. Okay, that's one. We're going to put the next one over here. This one is also good. And we're going to put the third one here. Okay, we have those 3 in. Now we're going to put the next 3 in. Okay, same as the first one. Gonna rake the soil a little bit. Don't want to disturb it too much, but next, I'm going to take my hurry, dig a little hole. This variety of squash is crookneck. Good roots on this one as well. Place it in the hole and backfill. Squeeze, press down. Place more dirt around. Okay, and that one is in. We're going to do another one right here. There. Take this one out while I'm here as well. Lay that one there for now. Stand this one up. Backfill. Press down. Even the soil around it. And the last one, we're going to put right here. Place the label here. Press down. Level the soil around it. Okay, that one's done. Next we will be doing the zucchini. Okay, with this one, just like the other two, we're going to rake the soil somewhat. Don't want to disturb it too much. Take my trusty hori, go down and dig a hole. This variety of zucchini, ironically enough, is called dark green. This one, just like the other two, nice root system. Okay. Sit it in the hole, backfill, push down, get all the air out. Support it with enough soil. Okay, that's one. We're going to put another one here. Place that there for now. Dig a hole for the third one. And we're going to place this one right here. And I had two types of zucchini seeded, and the second type, the spineless supreme variety, none of those came up, which turns out may have been just a good thing. Okay, my next thing I'm going to do is get some straw and spread it into the containers, and then I'm going to water it. Well, as you can see, all three are now planted and watered in thoroughly. We have zucchini right here, crookneck squash here, and supersonic squash here. The reason they are planted outside as opposed to on my lanai is because I had both zucchini and squash growing last year, and I had one zucchini that I was able to harvest and no squash. The squash would form but then rot off or die, and I kind of figured that to be because of one or two things. Either they weren't fertilized correctly, because I had to do everything by hand, or there was a calcium deficiency. And I'm thinking that it was the first one more so than the calcium deficiency. So this time around, I'm planting them outside, and hopefully with the help of insects, I can get them pollinated. We'll bring you along on this journey and let you see how everything goes. So at this point, I want to take the opportunity to ask you to consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already done so. If you have done so, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload any new content. Be sure to leave me a comment and you can share my material. If you haven't gotten your supplies for this upcoming spring season, head over to my Amazon storefront, and you can also head over to my website and get yourself some good deals, and it benefits me a little bit as well. So until next time, remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Until next time, stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow.